Switzerland is a wonderful country with arresting landscapes. In this video, we will explore beautiful places in Switzerland through the lenses of live streaming cameras installed around the country. Number 5. Hotel Suvretta House Live Camera. St. Moritz is a high alpine resort town in the Engadine in Switzerland. It hosted the Winter Olympics in 1928 and 1948. An amazing panoramic view on the beautiful valley with a lake surrounded by majestic mountains opens from the live camera, installed in Hotel Suvretta House. Number 4. Geneva Live Camera. Situated along the banks of Lake Geneva at the foot of the Alps, Geneva is the second most populous city in Switzerland. Geneva's most famous monument is the world's tallest water fountain. You can enjoy a great panoramic view of the city thanks to this rotating live camera. Number 3. Cruise Boats Live Cameras. If you want to experience sailing across the lakes of Switzerland, you can do it right now. Several cameras are streaming from the captain's cabins of cruise boats that navigate Lake Brienz and Lake Thun in central Switzerland. Such a virtual boat trip is a great way to enjoy the incredible alpine scenery at a pleasant pace. Number 2. Lucerne Live Camera. Lucerne is a charming city in central Switzerland. It is one of the few remaining Swiss cities that has managed to maintain its medieval architecture with a bit of added modernity. Lucerne is best known for the Chapel Bridge, the oldest wooden footbridge in Europe, and also the oldest existing truss bridge in the entire world. You can watch a live panoramic view of the Chapel Bridge, the old city, and the lake through the lens of the camera, located in this beautiful place. Number 1. Hoher Kasten Live Camera. The Hoher Kasten is a mountain in the Appenzell Alps, overlooking the Rhine in eastern Switzerland. The summit is easily accessible with a cable car. A revolving restaurant offering panoramic views has been built on the top. Everyone can experience these breathtaking views with a live camera installed in this place. That's today's list. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching.